Hi everyone, I'm Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. The stock on focus for today is Vodafone Idea, and Vodafone Idea is in deep negative territory. As of now, Vodafone Idea is trading at about 8 rupees 40 paise on NSE and about 8% down. And as soon as Vodafone Idea started trading this morning, it fell up to about 8 rupees 30 paise, directly 9% down. Well, this is because of the AGR news related to Vodafone Idea that came out yesterday. Yesterday, there was a Supreme Court hearing with all the telecom operators: Vodafone Idea, Airtel, Reliance Communication, Tata Teleservices, and Jio. Well, we won't talk about the other companies, but we'll specifically talk about Vodafone Idea because it seems Vodafone Idea share price is going to zero. I told you this would happen about a month ago. You can see my video in description. Anyways, I would still discuss this share again today so that all my viewers know that they need to stay away from Vodafone Idea because Vodafone Idea share is going to go to zero very soon. So anyways, we'll talk about Vodafone Idea's AGR reaction. So how did AGR affect Vodafone Idea share price? So as I told you, there was a Supreme Court meeting yesterday, and there were discussions related to AGR dues. And this is what I quote by Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said it won't even hear for even a single second the arguments on reassessment or recalculation of AGR dues, and now Vodafone Idea would have to accept the dues worth 58,254 crores. Again, I'll repeat this figure, it's such a huge figure. It is 58,254 crores. This is the due Vodafone Idea would have to pay. And that's why I'm telling you Vodafone Idea is going to zero because of the magnitude of this due. Now, this Vodafone has sought 15 years to pay these dues. Earlier, it wanted 20 years to pay these dues, but now it is requesting for 15 years. And let us look at what Supreme Court would say to this plea. As of now, Vodafone Idea has paid about 7,854 crores. It includes the 1,000 crore paid this Friday about 4 to 5 days ago, and it also told the Supreme Court that it is expecting a 8,000 crore refund from the goods and services tax it paid, and this refund of 8,000 crore can be retained by the government and can be given towards the dues it is supposed to pay, basically the AGR dues. So if I add this 8,000 crore to this 8,000 crore, Vodafone Idea would have paid 16,000 crore. Now if I subtract 16,000 crore to the dues it is supposed to pay, it still owns 42,000 crores. And this is the magnitude of the dues Vodafone Idea is supposed to pay, and that's why I am shouting and I'm telling you stay away from Vodafone Idea. It'll make your hard-earned money zero. So now the question is, now this is what all you investors are waiting for. Can it pay AGR dues? Now, before I delve into this, I am again sharing the link of my video that I made about a month ago, and it will help you understand things more in detail. As of now, I'm just scratching into details from outside. So just so that you get a quick idea about Vodafone Idea and you don't get bored. So, uh, can it pay the AGR? Now you need to understand this. If it earns a decent amount of revenue, it can pay the AGR dues. However, it has earned about 6.27 trillion. So 1 trillion rupees is basically 1 lakh crore. So it has earned 6.27 lakh crore in the past 10 years, and out of which about 5 trillion rupees or 5 lakh crore have been spent in expenses. These expenses include liabilities, tax, and dues. Moreover, the 1 lakh crore or the 1 trillion rupees that promoters got, and the promoters in this case are Idea and Vodafone, even that has been eroded. By eroded, it means it has been completely squashed, it has been completely wrecked, and there is nothing left from that 1 trillion rupees. So 1 lakh crore that promoters got is gone. The revenue it earned, it has been gone in the past 10 years. Now, this is basically the net worth of Vodafone Idea. We see the net worth of Vodafone Idea has been in rapid decline. So these figures are actually in crore. So in quarter 4 of financial year 2019, it had a net worth of 60,000 crore, and now it has a net worth of 6,000 crore, and it looks the net worth is going to zero. Looking at the rapid decline, I say there's a rapid decline in net worth, and the net worth is going to zero. Now, talking about the cash reserves of Vodafone Idea. So in quarter 4 financial 19, it had decent, cash. It had a cash of 7,550 crores. So again, this figure is in crore. So it had about 5,000. It had about 7,550 crores in quarter 4 financial year 2019. It had a rights issue that gave it some more cash, and it had a total cash of 21,180 crores by quarter 1 financial year 20. And now it basically has 1/10 of the cash left. It has only 2,480 crores. So it only has 2,480 crores cash left, and this is based on the quarter 4 results. So this cash doesn't comprise of the 1,000 crore it paid for the AGR dues, nor does it comprise of the dues it paid to the mutual funds such as Franklin Templeton. Lately, you must have heard about the news where Vodafone Idea paid the dues it owned to debt funds such as Franklin Templeton. Now again, we don't know the cash idea about Vodafone. Now we can say that the cash is far less than 2,500 crores. So it has no cash, it has no net worth. And the last nail in the coffin, no public sector bank is willing to offer a guarantee to the company, and all its assets are, despite all its assets being secured before the bank. So I'm not talking about a private bank. Public sector banks are much lenient in giving loans. Looking at their NPAs, they give loans to anybody and everybody. Private banks are a little bit choosy. They are risk averse, whereas public banks aren't risk averse. I'm not talking ill about public banks, but I'm talking about the historic data. Even they are not willing to pay, give offer loans to the company, and all its assets are already secured before banks. So guys, I've given you plenty of information regarding Vodafone Idea and why it can't pay its AGR dues. So please stay away from Vodafone Idea, as it will destroy all your wealth. So I hope you learn a lesson, and you stay tuned. All right. So this is it. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.